Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have these wireless headphones from Riwbox, the model TX8, volume control with mic, wireless connected and wired, soundproofed, high sound quality and touch function. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out together the quality that matters the most when you are buying headphones. You need the best and high performance quality. Nothing else out of the box. Of course, inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. We've got the cable for charging these headphones, Type C. I like Type C. Type A to Type C. It is about 30 centimeters. Nice. And of course, we've got the 3.5 millimeter headphone cable. It is a nylon. Very good quality, definitely it is very durable. Microphone here with a button, reject, answer a call, pause or play music. Nice. This is a Bluetooth 5 connectivity for these headphones. If you don't want to use the Bluetooth 5 connectivity, you can use this 3.5 millimeter headphone cable and connect other devices. And of course, you can use these headphones with a Bluetooth 5 connectivity to other device, smartphone, tablet, laptops, PCs, your smart TV, any device with a Bluetooth 5 connectivity. I can see for the first look it is very durable. This is the gray color. You can buy it on a black, white or pink. Choose the color that you like the most and just buy it. Here we have the 40 millimeter speaker inside. This soft pad, definitely they will fit great at your ears. If you want, you can remove them, clean it, install it again. It is adjustable, find the right position, left and right adjustable. Adjustable in here. We've got this metal inside, both sides. It doesn't bend, it is very durable. Nice, I like that. Soft pad around here, it will not hurt your head. Definitely you will feel comfortable when you wear it for a long time. Foldable and portable. You can take it with you at your gym, for vacation, outside, to your office, at your school, anywhere. It can fit anywhere, at any bag. Definitely, I like this portable design. Riwbox, we've got a logo here. Wireless it says. Nice. I can say it feels very nice, the materials. Here we have the touch control, answer and call, reject call, play or pause. The multifunction button here, play or pause music, on, off and pair, answer and call, reject the call, redial last number. It is a multifunction button. The volume up and next song and the volume down, previous song. Mode switch from Bluetooth to TF card mode because it has a micro SD slot here. You can take your micro SD. You can install it here and listen music from your micro SD. This is a great feature because you don't need to have your smartphone at any time with you. Just upload your favorite music to the micro SD, insert it to your headphones and just listen your favorite music. And of course we've got the microphone at this side, you can see, and at this slot we've got the Type C connection for charging these headphones. Connect here, you can charge it, or you can connect the 3.5 millimeter headphone cable and connect it to your favorite device and just listen from the cable music. I like when a product it gives you so many options to choose how you want to use it. You can charge it from your power bank. You need 5 volt to charge these headphones. And then we've got this low light red, indicates that it's charging. And when it's fully charged, it will go at green light. Great. We've got this rubber, seal it very well. Play time when it's fully charged is 14 hours. I think it is a great time. Definitely you can hear all your favorite music. Charging time, it takes about 2 hours. And inside we've got the lithium battery, 3.7 volt, 300 mAh. Well, nice of that. Well, let's start the pairing process. Press the multifunction button, it will turn on. You can see white light. Well, and instantly start playing because I've got the micro SD inside. And okay, you can pause, resume, press again and hold, next song or previous song, press and hold, or just press the mode Bluetooth function. It will go to Bluetooth pairing mode, is flashing red and white. Take your smartphone, on your Bluetooth settings, TX8, pair, and I can hear a voice says the Bluetooth connected. Now let's wear it and find out the great sound that it can give us, these headphones. Whoa, great bass, so loud, you can only hear the music. I like the bass, high performance. Definitely great quality of sound. And with your fingers, easy to find out the buttons, increasing and decreasing the volume. Press and hold, changing the song. And with the touch control at this position, you can pause the music, touch again, resume the music, double touch, start calling the last number, or you can reject the call, end the call. Nice, I like it. The sound is amazing, the sound quality is so good. And it fits very well to my head with no problem. Close all my ear canal. You can hear everything very loud, you can enjoy the bass.
And I have tested the microphone and it sounds very well. Now you can hear my voice through the microphone of these headphones TX8 and it is wonderful. It's so clear. You can hear my voice very well. I have made some calls and the sound was so clear. The other person, it can hear me very well and I can hear them very well. And why not? You can use it and playing games to your PC or to your laptop with Bluetooth connectivity. You can play online games and chat with your friends because it has a great microphone.
Well guys, that was all about. I think definitely you will enjoy these headphones. They've got a great, amazing sound. You can use it at your gym when you're exercising yourself, and definitely you will hear only the music and nothing else from your surrounding. If you want to buy it, you can check down below in the description. You can find a link, just click it and find more information where you can buy it and enjoy these wonderful headphones. And with all guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day.